Hey guys, Ben Lee here. Welcome to the Rootstrap LA office. So come on in, let's check it out. Welcome to the Rootstrap office. Really excited for you guys to come check out our new location. We just went through a merger. So my company Neon Roots and Top Tier Labs, one of my development partners, just merged to form Rootstrap. We build apps for some of the biggest entertainment and media clients in the world, like Snoop Dogg and Tony Robbins, to some of the biggest enterprise companies out there like Google. So come in and check out our Sunset office and let's go for a tour. All right, we're in the road mapping room. So what is road mapping? Probably the most important phase in building any type of digital products. This is where we're ideating, brainstorming with our clients and partners, and then building a model or prototype. In terms of the space itself, obviously we want a lot of light, a lot of vibrant colors. We've got an amazing collaboration here with Frankie Aguilar. He's a partner of ours, not trying to prohibit the brainstorming, the creativity, the energy that comes into building any type of product or app. Welcome to the Flex Room at the Rootstrap office. So this is a really important room for the team members to chill out. We engaged the amazing Sage Allard for a lot of the aesthetic and interior design. She really helped us with so many of these details that came together, and the right material, the right curating of the art to make this magic. So welcome to my office, guys. One of the most important things about being a happy CEO is being a productive CEO, which means you gotta have a creative space that enables you to be creative, productive, and get your work done. Sometimes I'm spending like 10 or 15 hours a day in this room, so make sure you love it. A lot of the art represents my character, who I am, what I'm into, my personality. You know, we're distributed now. This is the future. So you gotta find a place that you're comfortable with, you're working remote or working from home, and you're getting a lot of work done. All right, thanks so much for stopping by. If you're ever in LA, make sure to drop us a line. Rootstrap.com, stalk us on all the social channels. Till next time, guys.